Most people who negotiate their salary earn more over their lifetime than those who don't. Salary negotiation is a crucial skill that many people overlook or underestimate. It can make a significant difference in your financial well-being and overall satisfaction with your job. Mastering the art of salary negotiation requires preparation, confidence, and a strategic approach. The first step in negotiating your salary is to research the market value for your position. This involves looking at salary surveys, job postings, and talking to industry professionals to get a sense of what others in similar roles are earning. Understanding the market value for your position will give you a baseline to work from and help you make a compelling case for why you deserve a higher salary. Mastering the art of salary negotiation can help you get paid what you deserve and set a solid foundation for your career growth. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this crucial process. Step 1. Do your homework. Research industry standards. Start by researching the average salary for your position in your industry and location. Websites like Glassdoor, PayScale, and LinkedIn Salary Insights can provide valuable data. Know your value. Assess your skills, experience, education, and achievements. Understand how these contribute to your value in the marketplace. Company Insights. Learn about the company's financial health, recent achievements, and industry standing, so to know how much room there might be for salary negotiations. Step 2. Prepare your case. Highlight your achievements. Prepare a list of your key accomplishments and contributions to your current or previous employers. Quantify these achievements with numbers, percentages, and specific examples to demonstrate your value. Develop your pitch. Create a compelling narrative that explains why you deserve a higher salary. Focus on your skills and the unique value you bring to the company. Anticipate questions. Be ready to answer questions about your experience, skills, and why you're worth the salary you're asking for. Practice your responses to build confidence. Step 3. Timing is everything. Choose the right moment. Timing your negotiation can significantly impact its success. Ideally, bring up salary discussions after you've received a job offer, but before you formally accept it. If you're already employed, schedule a meeting during performance reviews or after a significant achievement. Read the room. Gauge your manager's or recruiter's mood and openness to discussion. Choose a time when they're not stressed or preoccupied. Step 4. Start the conversation. Be professional. Approach the negotiation with a positive and professional attitude. Express your enthusiasm for the role and the company. Use data. Present your research and data to support your salary request. Use industry standards, your accomplishments, and the company's financial health as evidence. Stay flexible. Be open to negotiation and other forms of compensation, such as bonuses, benefits, flexible working conditions, or additional vacation days. Step 5. Make your ask be specific. Clearly state the salary you're aiming for. Use a range if necessary, but ensure your target amount is within the industry standards and justifiable based on your research and experience. Confidence is key. Speak confidently and assertively. Avoid using phrases like, "I was hoping for," or "would it be possible?" Instead, say, "Based on my research and experience, I believe a salary of X dollars is appropriate." Pause and listen. After making your ask, pause and allow the other person to respond. This shows you're serious and gives them time to consider your request. Step 6. Handle objections. Be prepared for pushback. If your initial request is met with resistance, stay calm and professional. Ask for specific reasons and counter with additional evidence of your value. Negotiate other perks. If a higher salary isn't feasible, negotiate for other benefits like bonuses, stock options, professional development opportunities, or flexible working arrangements. Stay positive. Keep the conversation positive and focused on finding a mutually beneficial solution. Avoid getting defensive or confrontational. Step 7. Seal the deal. Get it in writing. Once you've reached an agreement, ask for the final offer in writing. This should include the salary, any agreed upon benefits, and other relevant terms. Express gratitude. Thank the employer or recruiter for their time and consideration. Reaffirm your enthusiasm for the role and your commitment to the company. Review the offer. Take the time to review the written offer carefully. Ensure all negotiated terms are included and clearly understood. Step 8. Continue to evaluate and advocate. Ongoing evaluation. Regularly assess your salary against industry standards and your evolving skill set. Be prepared to negotiate again in the future based on your growth and achievements. Self-advocacy. Continuously advocate for yourself by taking on new challenges, seeking feedback, and documenting your accomplishments. Mastering the art of salary negotiation is crucial for ensuring you're paid what you deserve. By doing thorough research, preparing a strong case, timing your negotiation well, and handling objections professionally, you can secure a salary that reflects your true worth. Remember, negotiation is not just about securing a higher salary, but also about setting the tone for your value within the company. Stay confident, professional, and persistent, and you'll be well on your way to achieving financial success and career satisfaction. Once you have a good understanding of the market value for your position, it's important to assess your own value to the company. Consider your skills, experience, and accomplishments, and be prepared to articulate how you have contributed to the success of the organization. Highlighting your unique strengths and achievements will help you make a strong case for why you deserve a higher salary. When it comes time to negotiate your salary, it's important to approach the conversation with confidence and professionalism. Be prepared to make a compelling case for why you deserve a higher salary, and be ready to back up your arguments with evidence and examples. One key strategy in salary negotiation is to focus on the value you bring to the company, rather than just your personal needs or desires. By framing the conversation in terms of how your skills and experience benefit the organization, you can make a stronger case for why you deserve a higher salary. It's also important to be flexible and open to compromise, as salary negotiation is often a give-and-take process. Another important aspect of salary negotiation is knowing when to walk away. If the company is unwilling to meet your salary expectations, it may be time to consider other options. Remember that your time and skills are valuable, and it's important to advocate for yourself and your worth. In conclusion, mastering the art of salary negotiation is a valuable skill that can have a significant impact on your financial well-being and overall job satisfaction. By researching the market value for your position, assessing your own value to the company, approaching the conversation with confidence and professionalism, and focusing on the value you bring to the organization, you can make a compelling case for why you deserve a higher salary. Remember to be respectful, flexible, and know when to walk away if necessary. With practice and persistence, you can become a master of salary negotiation and ensure that you get paid what you deserve. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more financial advice and strategies. Share your own experiences with salary negotiation in the comments below. Together, let's empower each other to achieve financial success. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.